Good morning, class 8. Welcome all of you in the special period of mathematics. Factorization. I have already started this chapter. This chapter is very, very important for algebra point of view. You will also learn in class 10 and this will be useful for higher class as well. Factorization of algebraic expressions. One day I have explained this is a very important topic in algebra and there are different methods to factorize. This depends upon the question. One day I have explained to factorize a polynomial which have a common monomial factor. And also I have explained how can you factorize a given polynomial which have common binomial factors. Today we have to learn factorize the polynomial by grouping suitable terms. I would like to remind all of you what is the meaning of factorization. Although I have explained you, factorization means to write the given algebraic expressions in the form of products. I have also given the examples. Suppose 10 is a number, so you can write 5 into 10. What are 5 and 10? 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are called factors. Factors of 10. Because 5 and 2 both divides 10 completely. The same principle is also used in algebra. Suppose I want to re-explain 6x plus 3. This is a binomial. Factorize. Suppose you have to factorize. So you have to write in the form of product. Now you see the factors of say 2 into 3 into x. And this is already 3. Now you see common. What is common? 3. So here you have 2x plus 1. These are the factors of this given polynomial. So मैंने कहा और भी हैं. You will learn more to factorize trinomial and splitting the middle term, etc. But today I am explaining you how will you factorize the given polynomial by choosing suitable, grouping suitable terms. बोले सर suitable means क्या है? अब देखिए इन दोनों में यदि देखते हैं, if you see in these two terms, nothing is common. कोई भी common नहीं. यदि इसमें देखते हैं तो कॉमन है एक्स स्क्वायर कॉमन और इसमें भी वाई स्क्वायर कॉमन. यदि इसमें करते हैं तो इसमें भी कॉमन है. इसमें यदि करते हैं तो कॉमन है ए, इससे भी बन सकता है. देखिए तो इसको हम क्या करते हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ग्रुप टू टर्म्स टुगेदर so that some should be factor common. So we are grouping ax square plus bx square. And now you enclose in the bracket. And other two terms left, b square, by square plus ay square. Now you see. What is common here? Common is x square, so x square common, and in the bracket a plus b. And now what is common here? Y square common. B plus a. B plus a or a plus b both are same. 5 plus 6 or 6 plus 5, the values are same. So you can understand b plus a plus b. Or a plus b, you can understand b plus a. So x square, so here a plus b is common. इन दोनों में फिर से लिखते हैं, ये binomial common हो गया, a plus b. This is a plus b. And here will be x square plus y square. Now this is in the form of product. A plus b into x square plus y square. And this is known as whatever you have learned, that is called factorization. So this is factorization of this given polynomial. And if you find the product, of these two, you don't go यदि आप multiply करनी है, so you will get again this given polynomial. So factorization. अब इसमें एक क्वेश्चन उठ सकता है कि सर यदि इसको और इसमें कॉमन करें, देखिए इसमें कैसे आता है. यदि इसको हम इस तरह से सॉल्व करें, ax स्क्वायर प्लस ay स्क्वायर, इसमें भी कॉमन है. So we are changing the group. Now you see this will be by square plus x square. Now you see common here. What is common here? A is common. In the bracket x square plus y square. And here what is common? This is the bx square. Bx square. There b is common. So y square plus x square. Now you see x square y or plus y square x square, both are same. So you can take x square plus y square common, and here you will get a plus b. This is another method. So my dear students, in this factorization today, we are learning the given polynomials, how can we factorize by grouping them into suitable terms. So now you have, here we have taken this and this, and then these two. And taking the common, we have found the factors. Now we have changed here. We have taken ax square plus ay square, because a is common also. And in the remaining two terms, b is common. So both are absolutely correct. अब इसमें यदि करें कि इन दोनों में कोई कॉमन नहीं है, इसलिए ये आपके ऊपर भी डिपेंड करता है कैसे इसको कॉमन लेते हैं. थोड़ा you can try to understand how can you group them in suitable terms. So this is the first question, factorization by grouping in suitable terms. One more question I would like to explain, and then you will try to solve. Factorize. So this is exercise 6C. Exercise 6C. I give another question. You see. This is question number 11. AB square minus BC square minus AB plus C square. Now we have to factorize. Now you have, first of all, as I explained you have to group them in suitable terms together. So if you take these two, no common is here, so this is not appropriate. Now here you can see here is common AB. So you can take AB squared minus AB and the remaining two terms minus BC squared plus C squared. यहाँ एक चीज हम बताते हैं कि इसको जब हम ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे, if you put in the bracket, so this will be minus and you can enclose in the bracket. So this is that, and now you see what is common here. Here common is A and B. AB is common. A, B square, and here B will be common. So here will be B, and here will be nothing means 1. Because AB divided by AB is equal to 1, not 0. Now see what is common here. Minus C square. And here you will get B minus, again you are getting 1. So B minus 1, B minus 1. One thing important here, these two terms should be common. These two terms should be same, otherwise you are wrong. So now B minus 1 common, and here is AB minus C square. So this is the factorization by grouping them in suitable terms. Now you can see if you take these two, so here is common, यहाँ भी common है, तो यहाँ common क्या है, B है, B common इससे भी बना सकते हैं. देखिए इसका alternative देखें. You can take AB square minus BC square. यहाँ भी common क्या है, B common है, and here will be minus AB, or this will be minus as I have told you. But here is no common. So how can you take? So this is not correct. So you can see how can you make the pair? How can you make the group? So you can do presence of mind here, because if we take these two, B is common, but no common is in these two terms. So this is not suitable. So this is the suitable grouping, and then you can factorize. So this is called factorization of the given polynomial by grouping them in suitable terms, and this is called so factorization, different methods, and all the methods which you have learned and which will you learn, this depends upon the question. How question is given, what is the shape and nature of the question, that depends. एक चीज और है कि एक हम ट्राइनोमियल को बना सकते हैं कि फैक्टराइजेशन ऑफ ट्राइनोमियल. सपोज x स्क्वायर plus 10x plus 25. Now this is a trinomial, 3 terms. So how will you, ये 6D के लिए हम बताते हैं तो ट्राइnomial ये फार्मूला आपको मालूम होगा कि a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So you will remember this. A plus b whole square is equal to, I have already explained this to you. How can you derive this formula? How can you obtain this formula? A minus b whole square. These are the important theorem, formula, and you will remember. And another is a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now you see you have to factorize this trinomial. Now we have to. So all the signs are plus, so this should be a plus b whole square. If it is in the square, perfect square. Now we try to change x square, and now 2ab, this is the formula. So we try to write 2 into a means first term x, and by how much you will multiply 2x to get 10. So you will multiply by 5. This is b. And 25 is the square of 5. So this is the important step. ये यहाँ हम जो 5 लिए हैं क्यों? क्योंकि 2ab इसको कंपेयर कीजिए a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if you multiply and if you compare this by this, क्या देख रहे हैं? A square या x square, 2ab 2 into x into 5, b square that is 5 square. इसका फॉर्मूला है a plus b whole square. So this will be x plus 5 whole square. Or square means understand x plus 5 into x plus 5. So in this exercise 6D, you have to learn whether the given polynomial is a square or not. You will try to break. You will try to obtain in this form, this or this. But here is minus, you can understand if there is a negative sign. So this is a factorization x plus 5 into x plus 5. So if I ask you, is this given expression is a perfect square? What will be your answer? Answer yes, sir, because this is a perfect square, because this is the square of x plus 5 whole square. So this you 6D you will try to solve, and 6A I have already explained a few questions. So 2 things today you have learned: to factorize a given polynomial by grouping them in suitable terms, with suitable terms. And then you have learned how will you factorize the given trinomial. So these are the 3 important formulas you might have learned, and you will try to solve, and you can ask your doubts. Thank you, and have a nice day.